Hi, I'm John and this is Scarlett the Four-Eyed Cuda. This is part 3 of the charging system update. We've run the cable, we've made the bracket. It's time to put the bracket on, mount the fuse holder, and connect up the cables and give her a shot. By now you know what we're doing because this is number 3 and hopefully you are following along. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got it all painted. I've got my screw holes put in to both mount to the car and mount my fuse block to. I was able to find some little rubber feet in my bag of junk, and so I didn't need to go to the hardware store. So that should keep things from vibrating and causing problems. I have some little screws and nuts. I know it's really hard to see, but there you go. And that should be able to hold this on. So let's put this together and we'll go from there. Now that's on there, so it's all ready to go. This is just a ground wire because it has the LED to tell you the number of volts. We'll see if it works. If nothing else, who cares? It's really there for the fuse. So that'll go like that. The two screws that came off when I took the bracket off, they'll come with it, and it'll just go right on the car. So let's go put it on. Yep. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so that's cut. So now I have my piece to go in there and my piece to go in there. All I have to do is trim and crimp and then put my ground wire someplace. Look, a ground screw. So that'll go there. One down, one to go. There we go. Towards the middle. All right, it's all hooked up, and as you can see, it says my battery is at 12.2 volts with doing nothing. So we'll start it up and we'll see what we get. I will shorten this wire so that it's not causing a problem and flopping around in the fan wing, but I just wanted to hook it up temporarily so I could see if it worked. So let's give her a start. Awesome. So the car is running, it just started, and now I'm getting 14.6 volts, which is probably, it's a tad on the high side, but it's not bad considering I just started it, so it's charging up the battery, which is what you want. I have a 60 amp fuse, and I chose something that high because I wanted it to be able to handle the inrush of the starting and the on-off of the air conditioner and stuff that way. So we should be good to go. So I'll button this up and we're done. So as you can hear, the car is running great. The voltage is charging the battery, which is good. It's not some super overrun like 18 volts or something crazy. So I know my voltage regulator is going pretty good. So please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next adventure of Scarlett the 4-eyed cuda. Thank you very much. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.